What's going on? It's your boy Greg. I'm back from Spain. I have insane amounts of footage to share. Drone footage, FX3 footage, anamorphic footage, all the footage. But for now, here is a little video of my commute with my friend Mike Shane as we are skating to Skate Love Barcelona from our Airbnb through Rambla Del Pobleneu. I hope I pronounced that correctly. This trip was completely incredible, and I'm so very grateful for the time that I got to spend there. It was a very short stay of 4 days, but we got a lot of skating in. We met a lot of incredible human beings, and the event itself was just indescribable. Great vibes. So enjoy this little video, 360 GoPro action, zooming through the beautiful streets of Barcelona, and a little soundtrack and a little city soundscape action. My name is Greg. Thanks for tuning in. I'm gonna be making a recap video real soon about this.
Making a left this time. Left. Yeah. Watch it. Hola. Hola. Hola.